CTV's Kiran Dhillon has been tracking reaction to the story. There has to be a lot about this.
Yeah, you know, he's a superstar. He's a living legend. I mean, fans love Elton John, and they have for 50 years. So, of course, today the reaction was swift, and there was plenty of it. So much so, actually, that Sir Elton John's website crashed this afternoon.
Not a surprise.
Not a surprise, because there was so much reaction. And just this afternoon, about an hour ago, the musician tweeted saying that he was really overwhelmed by the enthusiastic response to his last ever tour. Obviously, grateful that so many people were interested in going to his website, but saying, unfortunately, so is my website, eltonjohn.com, will be fully back online as soon as possible. Deeply sorry for any inconvenience caused. Now, Scott, as I mentioned, fans were quick to comment today, and many were disappointed by this news, but also supportive of his decision to spend more time with his family. I want to show you some of that positive reaction we saw today on Twitter. This poster saying, "I appreciate everyone texting me about the Elton John farewell tour today, but I need time to grieve." And then on Facebook, many fans already making plans to check out this farewell tour, but many are concerned about the cost. David on Facebook saying, "Let's get those laws in place that prevent scalper bots so we all have a fair shot of getting tickets." And then other fans who have seen the musician in concert before, encouraging others to go and check him out in this farewell tour. Shane on Facebook saying, "If you haven't seen him, definitely go. The Elton John concert was probably the best one I've ever been to." So a lot of disappointment, though. But I have to say, Scott, there were also some fans who were quite skeptical that this will actually be his last tour.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Paul on Facebook saying, "How many musicians have had, quote, farewell tours only to come back time and time again? He'll be back. I heard touring pays well." So there was some skepticism and maybe some hope that this isn't the last we'll see of Sir Elton John.
And it's a 3-year tour, so who knows? Any Canadian stops?
Yeah, so, Elton John loves Canada. He's made that clear before, and he's actually married to a Canadian, so he did not forget about us. Cities like Toronto, Montreal, Quebec City, and Ottawa will get to take in the musician.
It's going to be fun to watch those ticket sales once they happen. Kiran,
Yeah,
thank you
and
very
the
much.
cost, too.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.